with weight raising amid one of the most noticeably bad weeks in its ride-around 15-year history. Tesla Inc. dashed to make and convey the greatest number of Model 3 cars as it could to answer to shook financial specialists. The carmaker still likely missed the mark. Tesla's Fremont, California, conveyance center was stuffed with individuals. Saturday evening as the most recent hours of the quarter attracted to a nearby red lounge chairs and tall white tables were set up outside. A DJ played music and a truck offering Vietnamese sustenance was close by. Off-camera, an organization that is attempted to make sense of how to mass-make autos had beseeched specialists to get creation on track and invalidate their cynics. In any case, the cynics are getting louder after the most recent couple of days. The electric auto creator drove by Elon Musk has gone under administrative investigation for the second crash this year, including Tesla's driver help framework Autopilot, the most recent of which brought about a casualty. Moody's Investors Service a week ago minimized the organization's FICO assessment facilitate into garbage, saying creation issues and mounting commitments could require a more than $2 billion capital raise soon to abstain from coming up short on money. Tesla shares dropped as much as 5.1% in early exchanging on Monday. Musk, 46, gambled, putting on a show of being tone-hard appearing to financial specialist worries by sending a progression of April Fool's Day tweets to joke that Tesla had gone bankrupt. The CEO initially divulged the Model 3 on March 31, 2016. And Tesla's assembling misfortunes have kept a huge number of purchasers who set $1,000 stores for the car pausing. Tesla's stock dropped 4.5% to $254.17 starting at 9:36 a.m. in New York. The offers fell 22% in March, the steepest month-to-month drop since December 2010, the year the organization opened up to the world. Web-based social networking posts by clients who took conveyance of their Model 3 over the occasion end of the week recommend Tesla still keeps up a multitude of genuine adherents willing to stay put in line for their auto. Ringer, 26, said by telephone Sunday that she loves that Tesla's autos can take off new highlights by means of programming refreshes. Since beginning Model 3 conveyances in July of a year ago, Tesla has pushed back creation objectives for the auto a few times, referring to issues with battery yield and computerizing its sequential construction systems. The organization conjectured back in January that it would likely end the principal quarter making around 2,500 units of the auto 7 days.